Welcome to konexall. Our easy-to-use portal will walk you through connecting your field management software to your customers' third-party software such as ecotrak, Service Channel, Corrigo, and more. No programming or additional software applications are required. We are looking forward to helping you focus on the growth of your business. Time to get started. Visiting our website, top right corner, it says Get Started, indicated by a big red arrow. Go ahead and click that. Once you've completed the sign-in process, enter your email address and your password and continue. Now that you've logged in, on the left-hand side, you'll see a few menu items that we'll discuss later. But we're going to go ahead and get started. So select Let's Get Started. Here's where you will select your software. And in this example, we'll select Simpro for this tutorial. Up on the top, a little bit about Simpro, how to connect to Simpro, available actions for Simpro, contact information for Simpro, and the pricing structure. Select Get Started. The information box is letting you know you need to add a payment method. Click OK. Here you can put in a credit card or bank information. For purposes here, we're going to just use a credit card. Enter your information and click Start Trial. Once the credit card is approved, we're ready to configure Simpro. Here we're going to confirm that you want to connect to Simpro, so select Yes. We are now ready to add a connection. Select Add Connection. ecotrak and Service Channel. We're going to do ecotrak. Select Learn More. Here you see a little bit about ecotrak, how to connect, available actions, contact information, and pricing information for ecotrak. Select Get Started. And your subscription has been added. Select OK. Let's add an action. Currently 3 available actions for ecotrak. Let's learn more about update status. Update status, description of what the process does, how to add it, pricing. Let's add the subscription, get started. Click OK to add the subscription. Now that you've added update status action, let's configure. Here's where we map the statuses in Simpro to the statuses in ecotrak. Note, there may be statuses in either Simpro or ecotrak that are not in use. You may find it advantageous to add a few statuses in Simpro, then map to ecotrak, as they may provide your customers with better information and mitigate customer emails and phone calls for updates. We've added a few statuses here. Let's save those. Let's assume you've added the action Notes to ecotrak. We're going to add an additional action called Attachments. Select Learn More. A bit about sending attachments for ecotrak. How to add, pricing structure, and get started. Now that the action has been added, select OK. Let's add a connection. As with adding and configuring actions with an ecotrak, you will do the same here with Service Channel and with any other third-party connection you wish to establish. Thank you for your interest in konexall and its user-friendly tools used to connect and configure your field management software to your customers' third-party software applications. Gone will be the days working in multiple software applications, and hello to increasing your efficacy in communicating with your customers.